All right, it's time to talk about valence electrons. Here are the objectives. Pause and peruse if you wish. Okay, remember electron. These are things you should already know. The location, it's in orbitals outside the nucleus. The charge is negative. The mass is a really small decimal. It's about 2,000 times smaller than the mass of a proton. But remember, for relative mass, we consider the mass of an electron to be 0. The electron was first discovered with cathode rays by J.J. Thomson. What is a valence electron, though? So that was electron, but what's a valence electron? It's an electron located in the outermost shell or energy level of an atom. Valence electrons determine chemical properties. Those are the electrons that can make bonds and participate in chemical reactions, and they give different elements similar properties, elements that have similar numbers of valence electrons. Finding the number of valence electrons in this class is so easy. You literally look at the periodic table. So you look at the electron configuration. So you see right there, you look at electron configuration. The last number is the number of valence electrons. It doesn't get too much easier. So carbon has 4 valence electrons because literally the last number in the electron configuration. How many valence electrons in magnesium? 2. Last number. How many valence electrons in cesium? 1. Last number. How many valence electrons in aluminum? 3. The last number. How many valence electrons are in an atom of oxygen? 6. The last number. What do you notice about valence electrons as you go down a column? We call that a group. So look and look. It's the same, right? As you go down a group, down a column. What do you notice about valence electrons as you go across a row or a period? Well, like this. Or like this. What do you notice? They keep going up, right? Until 8. You see 8's the biggest number you'll see. And that's valence electrons. Really simplified view of it, but I hope you learned something new today.